What if I told you a 5-minute morning ritual could boost your energy, melt stubborn belly fat, and reverse hidden liver damage? No expensive supplements, no crazy diets. This ancient practice is exploding on social media, and doctors are finally talking about it. Welcome to Medicinal Monday, friends. I'm Trina, and today we're tackling a silent epidemic, fatty liver disease. Did you know 1 in 4 Americans has it? And most don't even know. Your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, but it's overloaded. You feel tired, sluggish, and struggle to lose weight, no matter how healthy you eat. The scary part? Fatty liver often has 0 symptoms until it's advanced. You might notice bloating, stubborn weight, or brain fog, but the real culprit could be your liver. It's just crying for help. Most doctors just say lose weight and avoid alcohol, but there is a simple science-backed ritual you can start right now. Let's talk about the ancient practice of dry brushing. Paired with a targeted liver massage, this combo is lighting up TikTok and health forums for a reason. It jumpstarts your lymphatic system, clears out toxins, and wakes up your liver's natural detox powers. Ready? Here's how you do it. You grab a natural bristle dry brush. Before your morning shower, gently brush your skin in circular motion, always moving towards your heart. Legs up, arms in, tummy toward your chest. Now focus on your torso. Brush from your lower ribs up to your heart. This area is packed with lymph nodes and sits right over your liver. Now, after that, it's liver massage time. Place your right hand under your right rib cage. Massage gently in small circles for 30 seconds, then sweep upward. This stimulates bile flow and helps your liver process toxins. Then finish with 10 deep belly breaths in through your nose, so you feel your abdominal expand, and then out through your mouth. Do 10 of those. This massages your liver from the inside out and boosts oxygen flow. People are raving about the results. Better sleep, clear skin, less bloating, and actual weight loss. One study even shows liver enzymes improvement in just 4 weeks with daily lymphatic support. Imagine what your body could do in just 5 minutes a day. Do you want to supercharge your results? Add these to your routine. Dandelion tea or lemon water first thing in the morning. You know, we've discussed those different drinks that you can do first thing in the morning. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, and then cut back on processed foods and added sugars. They're liver enemies in disguise. Try this for 7 days and notice how your energy, your mood, and your digestion change. Then comment below with your results. I love celebrating those wins with you. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe for more Medicinal Mondays. What health topics would you like me to tackle next? Drop those in the comments below, and remember, your body is designed to heal. You just need to give it that right support. See you next week. Be blessed, and remember, you are loved.